Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about the cryptocurrency platform. So the platform name is CoinW. So if you register, then you'll get 1000 USDT reward for the registration. So I have provided the referral link which is in the description box. Please check it out, and also I have provided the referral code which is also in the description box. Okay, so let's talk about what does CoinW, this platform, do actually. So this platform actually provide you the market overview of the cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, ETH, Ethereum, and etc. So you can simply start your trading career over here in CoinW platform. So you can simply get a reward also for the if you do the registration. So simply you'll get all these things. So here you can simply tap on register now, and you can simply see this platform, so which is in a different language. So first of all we need to translate this. So if you face this kinds of error, or this not an error, but also if you face this kinds of problem, then you can simply have a Google Translate. So simply you can type Google Translate extension, then you can get Google Translate extension from here. So simply follow the step, then after you will be adding the extension in your Chrome tab. Okay, so after adding the extension, so simply you can see now I can translate this page into English language. So I understand the English language, so simply I prefer to use English language. So first of all you need to simply download the extension, then after you can simply see, or you can simply right click on the tab over there and simply tap on translate to English. So simply right click and select the translate in the English. So here you go, and I have also provided the referral code. Here you can simply see and enter your email password, then after register, click on register. So after that you will see this kinds of interface over here. So what can you simply do? First of all you need to buy cryptocurrencies. Okay, let me just fix the other language. So simply I'll choose the English language, so you can also choose that, so it will be much more easier for you. So whichever language you prefer, you can simply select that, and you can have okay, the real translation of this entire website of the our entire page. Okay, so simply you can see, if you tap on buy crypto, then you can you will be able to buy the cryptocurrencies over there. So P2P, point to point trading fees. Okay, simply so I need to just add some amount of money over here in the CoinW platform. So simply what should I do? So simply follow the step. So here is the buy crypto. So this is just I'm showing the interface. Now I will buy the cryptocurrencies and the crypto for you. So simply if you see here in the buy or sale, you can simply see for the P2P trading, so zero fees, so quick buy. So here you can see you can simply buy or sell the like buy or sell the crypto coins like Bitcoin. So for quick buy, so if you want to buy, then how should you buy, and what the payment method? So simply here you can see the interface, like what I want to buy, for example $1,000. So I will get 0.01 BTC, and this is the expected the expected amount you'll get. And at the right side, please see the like payment selector service provider. So which service provider you want to just do for. So simply you can tap one service provider and they accept like Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay. So whichever you prefer, you can simply have it. And you can simply see you need to like enter the name and your your card details over there, and then after you will be successfully uh, you will be able to purchase the coin here, and you can simply invest over here in the like this CoinW platform. Okay, so this is just a very simple step. So make sure that so before making and before buying the cryptocurrencies, so think before you use the platform. And we are just providing the tutorial video, so we are not insisting you to use this platform. So we are just guiding you how to use and what are the things that you should like cover over here. So if you see the market, so please tap on market and you can simply see the market overview of this CoinW platform. So simply you can you are and you will be able to see all this interface. So whichever you want to buy or sell for, you can simply just have those coins and you can have a great trading experience in just one click. So don't forget to use our referral link, which is in the description box. That I am just repeating this because you need to like use that referral link. And here you can simply see so how to trade over in CoinW platform. So simply we are going to see the overview here in CoinW platform. So simply you can see the green is for the buying and red is for the selling. So simply you can see the chart and you can decide whether to what should you buy or sell. So it's just a very easy and simple process. It depends upon you whether you buy or whether you sell the cryptocurrencies over here, and it depends upon totally depends upon you. So we are not just insisting you, so please take this video as a tutorial and use your like a brain and use your money in this platform. So we have learned how to sign up and how to translate this page. It was quite easy, but also sometimes the simple thing, cause it's very hard for many people. And we have deposited the amount of money, and here you can simply trade over here. So I have teach you how to see the market overview, how to buy and sell the cryptocurrencies over there. So we have learn each and everything that are important in this platform. So this much for today. So and at last, so if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. So till then, bye bye and take care. So yeah, that's all.